Want to SIM unlock your iPhone or unlock the SIM card that's locked to one carrier? If your iPhone is SIM locked, I'll show you step by step how to unlock SIM lock on iPhone and use it with any network fast and easy. To know how to unlock SIM lock iPhone for free, please just watch the full video and follow the instructions step by step. Step 1. Visit unlocking360.com website. Step 2. Select your manufacturer. Step 3. Select your iPhone model. Step 4. Click on Unlock Now button. Step 5. Enter the mobile's IMEI number. The IMEI code is a 15 to 17-digit number unique to your phone, which you can obtain by typing *#06# followed by the call key. Step 6. Enter your email ID on which you will get your unlock code. Step 7. Select country name. Step 8. Select the current network your iPhone which is locked. Do not select the network you want to use. Step 9. Click on Submit button. Step 10. You will get order status notification on your email ID. Once the code is generated, Unlocking360.com support team will send your unlock code on your email ID. If the free unlock code available for your device, you will get your unlock code on your email ID instantly. If the free unlock code is not available for your device, you will have to pay for the unlock code. If neither free unlock code nor paid unlock code available for your device, you will redirect on Tools Not Available page. In case even after filling all the details, there is a possibility of unavailability of unlocking code. If the unlocking code is not available, a message of Tools Not Available will be displayed. Don't worry, you can submit your request to notify you once the code available by providing your email ID. Unlocking360.com support team will notify you as the code available. As soon as you receive confirmation that the unlock has been applied to your iPhone, please follow the following steps. Step 1. Power on your iPhone with a non-accepted SIM card inserted. A SIM card is non-accepted if it is not from the original network your iPhone was locked on. The SIM card can be from any other network carrier worldwide, and does not need to be the same SIM card you want to use in the future. Step 2. Your iPhone will automatically activate with your new SIM card. That means your iPhone is fully unlocked now. Step 3. That's it. You can now use your iPhone with any network carrier worldwide. If you have any questions or doubt, please visit https://www.unlocking360.com or contact us info@unlocking360.com. Also, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Do you know what are benefits of unlocking a phone? There are many benefits of unlocking your phone. Benefit 1. Freedom from network. The first and foremost benefit of unlocking your phone is that you won't be bound to any specific network anymore. You can freely change your network operator and enjoy the services. Benefit 2. No contracts. When a seller sells you a phone with a contract, it is primarily to ensure that the company ends up making more money. And the best part is you can get the same plan on your phone even after unlocking it. Hence, by unlocking your phone, you can get rid of a contract. Benefit 3. Hassle-free travel. When you're traveling overseas and have a locked phone with you, you're going to rack up massive roaming charges. Once you've got your phone unlocked, you can use any of the local SIMs from the country you are traveling to and you are sorted. If you have any questions or doubt, please visit https://www.unlocking360.com or contact us info@unlocking360.com. Also, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel.